Homebuyer tip number 6. You found a home you love and you want to submit an offer. If there are no other offers, you may have some negotiating power. If there are other offers, you'll have to send a competitive offer. If you don't win the bidding war or your offer gets rejected, don't get discouraged and don't blame your agent. They had no idea of knowing the value of the other offers, and obviously the seller received a more appealing offer, and that's just how it goes sometimes. If your offer is accepted, you'll be legally binding and you'll have important steps to take during the next few weeks. Stay tuned to the next video for those steps. Priscilla Hammond, HomeSmart Realty, 678 378 9837.